Hello. How you folks doing today?
Good.
Right on. I'm Michael.
Michael, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, miss. Is the door open?
Oh, no.
It's locked? All right, cool. I'm going to pop it open, get a key. I'm going to go on that side. Just give me about 20 minutes. Oh. Don't even need to do that because the window's already cracked with these glasses. Okay. There you go. I pulled off here. Almost there. There we go. Cool. It's like $1.99. Yeah, it's fine.
You take Zelle?
Yeah, I take so. Yeah, absolutely. Here go the keys though. Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
No problem.